Hello everyone, Namaste from Tarot Tales 369. Welcome to the channel. Those who are new here, thank you for tuning in and watching it. Today's reading is for Virgo, so we look for your career, love, and money aspects. So this is a general timeless reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If you are interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Meanwhile, if you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for the notification. Let's start and see what are the messages for Virgo today. So, Virgo, your career is looking like you are going to shine like a star in your workplace, and you're full of inspiration currently, and you have that clarity for your long term vision. Okay, I'm seeing you are entering into that phase, where your dedication and efforts are finally aligning with your higher purpose, your soul purpose. Okay, you are currently full of creativity, and your work and idea is going to shine out, in public, and you are going to get praised massively. Also, I'm saying if you are stuck in some kind of toxic work culture, so you are now stepping out of it and emerging from that difficult period, and beginning to see the light, the end of the tunnel. It's like that. So if you're stuck in that job and it doesn't resonate with your higher purpose, so you are now fully ready to begin that shift. It may be slow, but it's real. It's happening on the ground. It's very practical. So you may be having the dream, you are holding on to it, and you are now ready to manifest it, and implement it practically. So execute that idea that you have. Okay, you are, creative. It is flowing through you, and you can manifest whatever is there on your mind. So don't give up, you're almost there. Okay, so that's a very good sign for your career, and those dream job project or purpose is now within your reach, whatever you have thought of achieving. And it's not like you should sit and wait for a magic to happen on its own. No, it's about being your own guiding light, and use your practical that wisdom and knowledge, your tools, to build something that deeply aligns with your soul purpose. Okay, so that's a very good card for your career. And now, in terms of your love, so again, major arcana card, we have the Hangman here. So, this is a very positive card for, to pause and reflect. It's not, any kind of punishment. It's a good time to, contemplate and see things from different perspective. So, you're being asked to, let go and surrender your mental, that foundations on a certain situation, and allow transformation to come, naturally you will get those ideas. So love is not a thing, to be over analyzed. It can't be molded into perfection. Like Virgo's attitude is like that, they are the perfectionists, but it must be, it's love is to be felt and accepted and nurtured with patience. So it's an advice to shift your perspective and see if you are already in a relationship, so look at your partner in a new light. Try to observe without judgment. you know and it's also like maybe your partner is needing some space to figure out things, so they might be withdrawing from it, but this is not a bad thing. This is not rejection, it is a good pause. I would say a spiritual pause it is. So there could be a little imbalance. So one of you could be giving too much, or trying to control or fix the other person. It could be you. So the relationship is at that crucial, the turning point. So don't be stagnant in this energy. This is for your for the evolution in a good light. No action should be forced here. The Hangman is advising you to have patience and get that inner clarity before making any further moves. So this is like stop overthinking and overanalyzing. Okay, this is just not the time to fix things or control the situation. Instead of that, you should just observe from afar with the compassion, you know. So this is like a small break on the way. So just don't overthink about any negative things. Let go of the control and, you know, surrender your ego. Then time will tell you the truth, and, you know, it will unfold in a very positive way. Okay, even if it is uncomfortable currently, but you are going to be all happy in the coming future. So it is just time for that introspection and, you know, and the transformation, especially with your own, you know, analytical that mindset. So just pause here, and, you know, just take that space, that break, and then you will be renewed again, you know, to move further. That's a very good card. And now, in terms of your money, so this page of cups is showing that emotional sensitivity, you know, blended with your grounded practicality. You know, this is a message for you for the gentle financial growth, you know, through creativity and smart planning, I would say. This is a very, you know, with that cup is a emotional but very imaginative, you know, energy. So new opportunities and ideas, or, you know, new offers, if you are looking for, are, you know, opening for you. So it is like an unexpected financial opportunity that's related to your creativity, basically. This is a chance to, you know, to follow passion that could become profitable. You know, you might be having that hobby or some creative idea, so you can, you know, monetize that. So whatever this offer is, you know, it involves emotionally fulfilling work. So a creative or you know, emotional money path is opening for you. It must be approached with realism, you know, and planning, and that discipline needs to be there, you know, to make it sustainable. So maybe a creative side job, you know, an art, or maybe, you know, it's something like music, or maybe writing, or something of your interest, that's your hobby, you know, you can take it as a side job. So it could generate you income, you know, slowly, but it will definitely uh, a new job for like a side hustle, you know. So you are being encouraged to combine your intuition with logic. Okay, and blend your heart with your head. Page in your money reading is a, you know, gentle and creative opening around your finances, you know, a new opportunity is emerging. It must be nurtured with discipline and not just, you know, daydreaming. It's a great time to start that small, you know, and trust your instincts, and let yourself, you know, handle that with, you know, properly structured, and uh, you know, follow it. So yeah, it's definitely that emotionally fulfilling work. And now let's pull out one card of advice from our angels and ancestors, spirit guides and angels. Please give me one card of advice. The final message you want to give to the Virgo today. Final message for this reading for Virgo. Please give me one card of advice, a final advice for this Virgo reading. Please give me one card. Okay. What? Oh my God. Lord Shubha is here. Okay, Virgos. What you are saying, you know, transcendence, rise up, honor your inner force. You know, steps are being given. Dance with the universe. What a beautiful message for Virgos today from Shiva. And, you know, you're always, you know, Virgos are like very detail oriented, and, you know, humble, and it is like resonating fully with you. So It adds a higher purpose to, your current energy, the ability to transcend, limited mindset and go beyond your ego and, over analyzing. So it's telling you to not do that. And it's like you're undergoing a spiritual shift in terms of your love. I am feeling that. And that detachment is needed for, to align with your higher purpose. Also in your career, it's like a divine mission. So, don't play safe and small now. Rebuild something and, reach higher. And it's like a big evolution happening for you in career and in your money. So it's like rise above your fears, don't doubt yourself, your ideas that you have, those creative things. Slow, it says trust the flow of the universe even as you plan. Okay, so it invites you to honor your inner creative spark and let it disrupt all money patterns, especially those rooted in, overgiving or unworthiness. So you are being initiated into a higher version of yourself. Your work meets this spiritual fire of Shiva. So what emerges out of it is not perfection, but liberation through purpose. So you're not here to fix everything. You are here to transcend, solve, and rise. So, what a beautiful message, Virgo, here for your reading. So, hope you resonate with this, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Namaste. Meet you next time.